Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best lime tree is probably one of the most rewarding additions to any home garden, offering not only the delightful citrusy aroma of its blossoms but also the tangible benefit of fresh limes for your culinary adventures. Imagine stepping outside your door to pluck a sun-ripened lime for your evening drink or a zesty addition to your cooking, all from a plant you've nurtured yourself. This guide will help you understand what makes a lime tree a fantastic choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners looking to bring a touch of the tropics into their lives, ensuring you pick the perfect specimen to thrive. Number 5. Homegrown Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit. Introducing the Homegrown Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit. This complete kit provides everything you need to grow 5 popular herbs right in your home, bringing fresh flavors to your kitchen. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This herb growing kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a complete package designed for success, even for beginners. We use USA-grown, non-GMO, heirloom seeds, ensuring strong germination. You can grow fresh basil, chives, cilantro, mint, and parsley to enhance your cooking. Set up your garden anywhere with our durable pots and trays. It's perfect for small spaces, adding greenery and flavor to your kitchen, balcony, or patio. This isn't just a grow kit, it's a complete experience. Enjoy watching your herbs sprout and thrive, bringing delicious flavor to your favorite dishes. Designed for ease of use, this kit guarantees success for beginners and hobbyist gardeners alike. It's a fun project for families and a great way to explore fresh flavors. What we like? This kit is perfect for anyone looking to start their herb garden with minimal fuss. It includes everything you need, from seeds to pots and a guide. If you're a beginner or looking for a thoughtful gift that provides a complete experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions are well written, in a step-by-step process. The kit is thorough. It has all of the basic starter necessities such as pots, stakes, soil, nutrients, 4 different bonsai tree seeds, and a planting guide. The manual makes it easy to manage your bonsais as they grow, which is a nice addition to new growers. Number 4. GS Plant Foods CalMag Extreme Liquid Fertilizer. Plants need more than just the primary nutrients. Secondary nutrients and trace elements are crucial for their overall health and growth. Even a small deficiency can have a big impact. This liquid fertilizer is specifically designed to address deficiencies in secondary nutrients and trace elements. It provides the essential building blocks your plants need to flourish. It delivers vital calcium, magnesium, iron, and sulfur, which are often overlooked. These elements play key roles in various plant functions, from cell structure to photosynthesis. Don't let nutrient imbalances hold your plants back. Correcting these deficiencies can lead to significantly improved plant health, robust growth, and ultimately, a better yield. This easy-to-use liquid formula ensures your plants receive the precise nutrition they require. Just a small amount can make a world of difference in their vitality. While it contains a balanced NPK ratio, its true strength lies in its targeted approach to secondary and micronutrient supplementation. It fills the gaps that other fertilizers might miss. What we like? This is a specialized liquid fertilizer designed to address specific nutrient deficiencies in your plants. If your plants are showing signs of lacking essential secondary nutrients or trace elements, and you need a targeted solution to boost their health and yield, this product is a great choice. What people say. This fertilizer supplement is particularly useful for tomatoes, bell peppers and other that require additional calcium and magnesium to prevent blossom rot, and also a number of other nutrients often not supplied in many fertilizers. This additive helps plants to absorb more of the nutrients already in the soil and also nutrients added with other fertilizers. Noticed a huge difference in root growth after I started using it. Number 3. Kaffir Lime Grafted Tree. Bring the vibrant flavor of Southeast Asia to your home with our Kaffir Lime Grafted Tree. This macrot lime plant is a unique addition to any garden. Experience the intense aroma and culinary versatility of authentic macrot lime. Its fragrant leaves and zest are essential for many delicious dishes. Our trees are expertly grafted to ensure vigorous growth and abundant fruit production. You'll enjoy a healthy, thriving plant from the start. Cultivating your own Kaffir lime has never been easier. With simple care, you can enjoy fresh leaves and fruit right from your doorstep. Please note, due to agricultural regulations, we cannot ship this plant to California, Arizona, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, or South Carolina. What we like. This is a grafted Kaffir lime tree, known for its aromatic leaves and fruit. If you're a fan of Southeast Asian cuisine or looking to add a unique citrus variety to your collection, this tree is ideal. It's for those who appreciate distinct flavors and fragrances in their cooking and gardening. What people say. The plant was healthy and delivered a week early. The leaves are very fresh and aromatic. I am very pleased with the size and the quality of this tree. Number 2. Brighter Blooms Calamondin Orange Tree. Introducing the Calamondin orange tree, a beautiful addition to your landscape. It offers lush greenery and abundant, tangerine-sized fruit. Enjoy the burst of tangy flavor from its fruit, perfect for culinary uses. This tree thrives both indoors and outdoors, offering great versatility. We deliver a wide variety of plants, from trees and shrubs to tropical fruits and rare houseplants. Find the perfect garden solutions with us. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, we have something for you. We cater to all levels and garden visions. Bring the joy of gardening home with our beautiful plants. We hope our varieties bring you happiness for seasons to come. Please note that this product cannot be shipped to certain states due to federal restrictions. Kindly check the list before purchasing. What we like. This tree offers the charm of small, tangy oranges and can be grown both indoors and outdoors. If you want to bring a touch of the tropics to your home, enjoy fresh citrus, or are looking for a versatile plant that suits any space, this Calamondin orange tree is a fantastic option. What people say. The tree is larger than I expected and very healthy. Tree arrived on time, well watered, no stress in foliage, not too tall so I can contain her inside grow without excessive pruning. Nice size plant and had oranges on it. Number 1. Brighter Blooms Blood Orange Tree. Enjoy the unique, delectable taste of homegrown blood oranges. Famous for their distinctive aftertaste, they're surprisingly easy to grow yourself. We deliver a wide variety of plants, from high-impact trees to tropical fruits. Find the perfect garden solutions to meet your needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, we have plants for you. We cater to all levels and any yard size. Bring the joy of gardening right to your home. Our plants are sure to bring you happiness for seasons to come. Please note that due to federal restrictions, we cannot ship this product to AL, AZ, CA, FL, GA, LA, or TX, or MS. Orders to these locations will be cancelled. What we like. This tree produces unique blood oranges with a distinctive, berry-like aftertaste. If you're a fruit enthusiast looking for a special variety to grow at home and enjoy homegrown, flavorful citrus with a twist, this blood orange tree is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Was very surprised at how well the plant held up during shipping. It was very healthy. There was no visible signs of stress to the plant. The tree arrived very well packaged. It was a very healthy, lush tree. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.